At one question each.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Chairman, Honorable Attorney General nominee. My question is, you have served as the Speaker of the National Assembly for the last 10 years, especially under the new Constitution. You're the first Speaker who came after the new Constitution was promulgated in 2010. So 2013 was the first Parliament to implement. And as you are aware, the biggest problem with following the law, the Constitution, is normally with the executive. And for that matter, they will want to interfere with other institutions and other arms of government, like judiciary and parliament. What is your experience as a Speaker for 10 years? Was there a lot of interference from the executive? And as now someone who's sitting as the Attorney General, what will you advise the government on how they should not interfere or not to deal with other arms of government? And also the issue of how do you intend to make sure the country is run by the rule of law and constitutionalism, that the executive is the one that normally has a problem with the law, as I've told you. So how will you make sure that they follow constitutionalism? An example, a point in case, as late as yesterday, is that the Constitution says, and I'm happy, that's what the new government wants to implement. They were making the police service to be very independent and making the Attorney General, the AIG, have financial independence and those things. But yesterday, I came across an incident, Article 245. It says that the minister in charge of police can give police orders in terms of policy issues. But no other person can give the police instructions on what to do. But the president gave them instructions yesterday to disband a unit of the DCI. Is that constitutionalism, Mr. Attorney General?
Congratulations, Mr. Speaker. Yeah, sorry about that. Congratulations, Mr. Speaker, on your appointment as Attorney General. One is the courts ruled on the CDF, Constitutional Development Fund. Up to now, there has not been disbursement, even emergency. What is your interpretation on the ruling? And going forward, then, what will you, how will you guide the government? Thank you.
Also,
thank you very much, Mr.